What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Mohammad Vyas. Before I start my topic, I wanted to tell you two things. First thing is related to your NIFT CAT exam, which I forgot to tell you in my previous videos. Now second thing is that why is your design fundamental is so important. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start this video. So first thing is that when you color your answer in your CAT exam, it is compulsory to use only dry colors. Now dry colors means your pencil colors. So it is an advice use only Staedtler pencil colors because the Staedtler pencil colors are best in qualities and many design aspirants and also designers use Staedtlers. Because of that, whatever you draw and color in your preparation days, color it by only using Staedtlers. It will give you a huge advantage in your CAT exam. So second thing is that why is your design fundamental is so important, because design fundamental teaches you many basic important factor of design like perspective, like color psychology, what is shape, what is form, etc, etc. And many time in NIFT and NID also they ask questions directly from design fundamentals, or the questions are related indirectly to the design fundamentals. To understand it more, let us discuss a question which NIFT asked last year. So the question is that draw and color a geometrical shape that defines your personality and give it a suitable title also. Now in this question, many candidates draw a geometrical shape and by shading and coloring give that geometrical shape a 3D look. But as you give a geometrical shape a 3D look, it will become a form. So according to the question, if you draw a form in this question, you are wrong. Because the geometrical shape is a 2D structure and 3D structures called form. So this type of things, that what is form, what is shape and many more basic important things in your design field, design fundamental teaches you. Let's start your design fundamental episode 1, which is on lines, dot and space. Now space is everywhere and it is compulsory for existence of anything in this universe. In 2D structures and art form, the space is the surface of an object like wood, canvas, paper, etc, etc. Now the space that acquires that art form or a structure is called positive space. The space that are blank around them is called negative space in 2D structures. Now in 3D forms like buildings, architectures, product, furnitures, etc, etc. The space that acquires that object is called positive space and the space that are around and between them is called negative space. The minimum we can do to achieve a positive and negative space, we can put a dot on a surface. A dot is the simplest and irreducible form that can create a positive and negative space on the surface. So when we make a mark by the help of marker or a pencil color, we assume it as a point or dot. So what is the difference between a point or dot? Actually we can't draw a point, we always make a point by the help of dot to emphasize something. Now in nature, roundness is the most common shape. So if we drop a little amount of water on a surface, it will make a shape of circle or it makes a dot. Because dot is also a form of circle, or you can say that the smallest circle that we can draw is a form of dot. If you move a dot in a particular direction, it will become a line. A line can be defined as a dot with dimension and direction. Or you can say that a line is the history of movement of dot into a particular direction. A line is the basic important essential element of design because things that don't exist in this world except in your imagination, you can produce that imagination into a virtual form by the help of line. Or you can say that line is the basic important essential element of design because it's give you that opportunity to communicate your ideas with others that you imagine. A line is very dynamic and energetic. That's why it's give you such flexibility that you can use it in many ways. For example, a line can be used so loosely and roughly with experimentation as you use it in your gesture drawing. Or a line can be used so tightly and measured as you use it in your mechanical blueprints or architectures, etc, etc. Like these two, line can be used in many forms. We found line in many types. For example, a line can be horizontal, vertical, diagonal, zigzag, wavy, soft, thick, and so on. Now as a line becomes thicker and thicker and started to acquire an area or started to enclose an area, it will become a shape. So this is an end of your design fundamental episode 1. Hope that it helps you. This is Mohammad Vyas signing off now. Thanks for liking, subscribing and sharing.